Hello and welcome to Appto's product update series, where we bring you the latest enhancements that make your mobile marketing smoother, smarter, and sharper. In this edition, we are spotlighting everything new from April to June 2025. From upgraded audience segmentation to cleaner server to server tracking and massive leap forward into web to app journeys, we have got a lot to share. So let's dive in. Let's start with something that was causing friction for many users. Previously, if you wanted to set up server-to-server tracking on AppProof, you had to pass TRID parameter with every request. For many users, that wasn't ideal. So we fixed it. We have now made TRID optional. You can simply send any valid user identifier like TID, End.id, IDFV or IDFA, and you're all set. This change makes your integration faster, more flexible, and whole lot simpler. Ever wanted to build audiences based on partner or media source, but you couldn't? We heard that one a lot, so we made it possible. With this new update, you can now segment users by the traffic partner, be it Meta, Google, ad networks, ad affiliates, or any other source. Just define your media source and set your audience use, and you're good to go. Now, targeting by partner traffic is not just possible, it's effortless. Here's one of those of you working with APKs outside the Play Store. Until now, managing postbacks across multiple partners meant missing out click ID parameter, something critical for clean attribution when you are juggling many affiliate links. That changes today. We are hard-coded support for click ID in postbacks for APK-based applications. No matter how many partners you work with, attribution stays sharp, transparent, and reliable. Now for the headline feature, our June release and an absolute game changer for user experience and app creation. AppProof's brand new Web2App smart banners and smart strips help you turn your website into seamless entry point into your mobile application. Here's how it works. The user clicks a campaign link and lands onto your website. Immediately, either a smart banner or a CLIck button appears, prompting them to download or open the application. And here's the magic. Behind the scenes, we capture all your key parameters like media source, campaign, even city or custom data and use it to build a smart trackable link. So no matter where the user goes, attribution stays intact. Let's break that down. Want a click elegant way to drive users from web to app? With smart banners, you simply embed a snippet of code onto your website. AppProof then auto-generates a banner based on the Unilink template you have selected. Whether the user has the app or not, they are sent to the right place, either to install or directly into the application. Key in, clickable, anchor version ready. Smart strips also handy. Number 1, GCL ID and FBCL ID support for Google and Facebook attribution. Number 2, fallback logic for desktop visitors with custom landing pages. And number 3, complete customization using override values and default parameters. Now let's take an example. Let's say Sophie is running an email campaign for her fitness application. The link in her email takes user to a landing page which is apparently her website. A smart banner pops up there. The user taps it, installs the application and is taken directly to the campaign specific screen. All of Sophie's campaign parameters like let's say PID equal to email and more are carried across in the background. The result? A seamless user experience and Sophie gets full credit for the install. That's Web to App Philly. Done the app way. Next up, Apple Ads just got a lot easier for agencies. With our new Apple Ads agency integration, agencies can now manage Apple Ads on behalf of advertisers without needing access to advertiser site credentials. This makes it significantly easier for them to launch, manage, and optimize campaigns with zero dependency. Agencies get the autonomy they need, and advertisers get full visibility. And finally, Granular Insights just got an upgrade. With our latest enhancement, you can now filter and group performance data by city directly on AppProof's reporting and custom dashboards. This is perfect for brands running city-level campaigns, allowing you to monitor localized performance, refine targeting, and drive smarter regional decisions. Whether you're measuring installs in Mumbai or engagement in Austin, The details are right at your fingertips. And that wraps up 2025 Quarter 1 product updates. From making server to server simpler to unlocking precise partner-based targeting, building the gap between web to app, AppProf continues to help app marketers go further with fewer hurdles. Want a demo? Got questions? Check the links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and share if you find this video interesting. We'll be back soon with more. Until then, keep measuring what matters, and we'll see you in the next video.